What's going on, family? What's going on? You are back with Ari the Hustler. Welcome to the Wealth Experience. And in this video today, I'm going to show you guys different ways you can boost your credit score quickly in about maybe 30 days or under. Okay. These recommendations are the recommendations I give to my clients. You can get up to at least 100-point increase in 30 days. Okay. So I'm not going to make this video really long. I'm going to hop straight into it. And the first one I have here is Self is pretty much like a savings account. Okay, you pay in this savings account every month so you can build up your payment history. Okay, so build credit history and save money, right? So you pick a term, right? Like, so I think when I did it, right, when I first started my credit journey, it was at 445. So I heard about Self and I signed up. When I signed up, I think you have like different terms, right? So I chose, I believe, to pay 45 bucks a month or something like that, for about a year. So I was paying like this account, right? $45 or so. And the first month I paid, my score shot up 100 points. I'm no cap. So at the end of the year, I got my money back and it helped my payment history because I made on time payments, right? So look, and if you go to the website, Self, I will have the link below this video where you can click on it and you can sign up and you can get started building your credit history and your payment history, okay? But you know how it works. Right, build credit while saving money. You can start with as little as 25 bucks, right? Apply for a credit builder account. Your money is safe and secure. Pay off your credit builder account in the specific amount of time. So like I said, you get a term. I believe it's 12 months or 24 months, right? So I chose 12 months and then I continue to do it every year because it just helps. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a savings, right? 3, each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your savings, and you unlock your savings. As well as they if you make it on-time payments, they will actually offer you a credit card. They will take from your savings to give you a secure credit card. For those that don't know what a secure credit card is, it's pretty much when you use your money as collateral to, because you have bad credit, so you need to put up something so the banks will trust you with the borrowed money, which is credit card, right? That's what credit is. It's borrowed, right? It's not yours. So Self would take the money that you've been paying into the savings and give you a credit card to help you build more credit. Okay, so again, the link to Self will be in the description below. Okay, all right. So now 2, Credit Strong. Credit Strong, I see Credit Strong mainly like I would say like a trade line, right? So you can subscribe to it, right? And if you pay $15 a month, you get $1,000 installment account, right? Build credit for just $15 a month. So it will show on your credit report like you got $1,000 trade line, right? And that helps. And you're just paying 15 bucks a month, right? You can customize your payment terms up to 120 months. I believe they have more options on there for you. But all you doing is paying $15 a month. I mean, we spend $15 a day eating, right? And you can cancel anytime with no penalty. Like anything else, for Self and for Credit Strong, you have to make on-time payments. And if you don't want these services anymore, you just tell them. Because if you don't make no payment, it will report to your credit like a late payment, or like you defaulted, like it will be a collection. Okay, and they also have another option. $30 a month, you get a higher installment account, right? 2,500, right? It looks better, almost like I said, like a trade line, right? And you just paying $30 a month. You can customize your payment terms, and again, you can cancel anytime. I will have this link in my my bio below. All right. 3, my jurors cut, right? So you put down $99, whatever, right? And you get like a credit card, pretty much. You get a credit card. Uh, how it works when you join my Jurors Club, right? Easy approval. You can have the worst credit in the world, and you can get this. It'll give you $5,000, right? Unsecured revolving credit. That looks tremendous on your report. Okay. You don't have to pay for shipping. You can just buy, like, a little jewelry, if for my fellas, if you got a little girl, or my ladies, if you got somebody, a teenage daughter or whatever, you can get jewelry for them and just make the payments, right? You just, at this point, if you have bad credit, you just want to add, as much credit as you can, right? This is, I highly recommend this. Okay, $5,000 of unsecured revolving credit. You do a deposit of $99. Super simple. Okay, look, if you look here, it says that there's always an occasion for jewelry for that special someone. Valentine's, birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, anything, right? So I will have the link for this down below. Okay, Kickoff. So me and my girl, I believe we got started with Kickoff a while ago. I'm not sure. I think it's a little different because I recommended it to a client. But how Kickoff starts, right? They give you $12, right? You get $12, and you pay $1 a month to to repay that back. But it's not coming out of your pocket. You're using the same $12 that they gave you, and it just helps with your payment history. So it's free. It's free, and I believe that's how it was when we first started. I believe it's a little bit different now from when my family members started. I believe like it's like $2 a month or something like that. But this is a very cheap way, very almost free way to build your credit, and we use it. When we got started, we didn't have to put no money down. We just used the same $12 that was lended to us to pay it back and help build our payment history. So simple, very easy. I will have this link in the description below. Okay, it's called Kickoff. And you guys know another way is secure credit cards, like I was mentioning earlier, right? These are some of the best secure credit cards that are recommended. Open Sky for bad credit, right? Bad credit. And understand that any credit card that you have, make sure you stay below 30%. Okay, so if you have a $500 credit card, all you got to do is do 500 times 0.3. It will be $150. So what that means is, do not spend over $150. Okay, credit cards is borrowed money. You want to build trust, right? So you can get more credit cards. You can build your credit. You can get that loan for that house or whatever you want, that business. So just make sure below 30%. For excellent credit, 9%, below 9%. Okay, so here's some of the some good credit cards. Open Sky is a pretty good one. And again, secure credit cards, you have to put up money for collateral. Okay, so about $200 typically. Choose it yourself from as low as $200. That's the minimum payment. Okay, Capital One is a really good one. I recommend. First Progress. So I heard pretty good things about First Progress, Capital One, and Open Sky. Those are my 3 recommendations. Listen, and this is what I was talking about. Self is a great one. And I was just telling you guys this earlier. I was offered the Self credit card, and I got it just to see how it works, and it works just fine. Reports just like a regular credit card. Let's see what else they have. First Progress, and you can get more than one credit card, but you just have to put the security deposit twice. So if you want another First Progress, you got to put another $200 down, if that makes sense. Okay, so Discover. So, or, if you have a credit union or a bank, you can go to your bank and ask, hey, I'm interested in getting a secure credit card. How does that work? You can talk to your banker. All right. So I just wanted to get up here and to show you guys this, and, and let you guys know that these are quick ways, about 30, maybe 40 days, for it to start reporting to your credit if you act now. Okay. Self lender, I'm telling you, perfect way to boost your credit. Okay, that's my number one. Credit Strong, if you want to add like a some credit history, have some installment, high accounts reporting to your credit report. I highly recommend it, as well as my Jewelers Club Kickoff, almost a free way. We did it, like when we did it was free, and it helped. It literally helped, and it's so simple. It reminds you when to just go log in and click pay. That's it. All right, and then I just showed you guys the recommended credit cards. Okay, this was a quick video for you guys. Okay. If you guys have any questions, you guys need help or anything with your credit, I do free consultations. You can look me up on Instagram, I Speak Reality, on Facebook, The Wealth Experience Credit Restoration. I will have all the links in the description below. I am taking clients, WeCreditRepair.com, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I will probably be doing a free giveaway. I just reached 100 subscribers, and I plan on keep growing. I plan on keep helping people, and let's keep rocking. It's been real. Thank you guys.